Oh.
Yeah.
You gotta quit smoking.
Hey, your bibbies are messed up. What's up here?
You talking?
You're falling down.
What you talking about? Trying to make a video. Landon, talk to the camera.
Say hi.
He probably ended up spitting that.
You blow bubbles?
We're gonna send this in to E-Trade. Get you on commercial.
Yeah.
Okay. Get you on TV.
Oh, yeah, yawn. You're so sleepy. Not very long, huh? Were you partying last night at your grandma's house? You were, huh? So we're hungover. Is that the problem? Okay, honey, got to be. Go see Mom. Hi.
I'm tired of waiting on everybody else, so I'm
So am I. Let's eat.
I'm sitting